The frustration. Ever had your car act up and the first thought is, this is going to cost me a fortune? You're not alone, buddy. According to AAA, the average repair bill in the U.S. is over $500. That number is painful. But here's the thing, most mechanics won't tell you. Many car issues are actually electronic glitches, not mechanical failures. The solution is often a simple reset. Today, I'll walk you through a reset trick that can solve most issues for free. Stick with me, because the next segment explains why your car's computer is secretly the boss. Your car has something called the ECU, or Engine Control Unit. Think of it as the brain of your ride. Research from Edmunds shows that modern vehicles have more than 50 tiny computers controlling everything from fuel to windows. If even one of those glitches, you might see warning lights, stalling, or weird behavior. The fix? Resetting the ECU can wipe those glitches out. Don't worry, you don't need fancy tools. Next up, I'll show you the simple trick you can try at home. Here's the magic move, buddy. Most cars can be reset by disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 10-15 minutes. When you reconnect, the ECU clears stored codes and recalibrates. This costs nothing, but can solve things like check engine lights, power window issues, or radio glitches. Pro tip, make sure your radio or seat settings might reset too, so note them down first. Remember, small actions save big money. Keep believing that you can handle more than you think. Here's the truth. Shops make money when you panic. If you run straight to a mechanic for every warning light, you're paying for diagnostics, labor, and sometimes repairs you didn't even need. According to Consumer Reports, up to 30% of check engine lights are triggered by simple sensor glitches. By trying a reset first, you might save hundreds. Next, let's cover step-by-step how to safely disconnect your battery like a pro. Before you grab tools, safety matters. Always wear gloves, make sure the car is off, and avoid touching both terminals at once. Use a wrench to loosen the negative battery terminal clamp. Once it's off, wait at least 10 minutes to let the system fully power down. After reconnecting, tighten securely and start your car. If the issue was just a glitch, you'll notice smoother idling or lights disappearing. In the next segment, I'll share hidden reset tricks for power windows and radios. Did you know many cars have hidden reset combos? For power windows, holding the button up for a few seconds after full closure can reset the motor memory. For radios, pressing and holding power with a preset button often clears glitches. Little-known secrets, but they bring your car back to life without spending a dime. Brother, knowledge is real power. Stay curious. Next, let's talk about the check engine light specifically, and when to try this trick. The check engine light is every driver's nightmare. But here's a fact. The EPA found most triggers are loose gas caps, misreads, or temporary air fuel issues. Resetting the ECU often clears these harmless alerts. If the light stays off after driving a few days, you're good. If it comes back, then you know it's time for further checks. Always start with the free trick before paying. Ever had your car shake or stall at stoplights? Many times it's not a broken part. It's the ECU struggling with old data. Drivers on forums like Car Talk report instant improvement after a reset. Buddy, imagine solving that scary stalling with $0. A reset isn't permanent magic. Think of it like restarting your phone. It clears temporary bugs, but doesn't erase deeper problems. Most cars relearn settings within 50 miles of driving. If the issue was only a glitch, it's gone for good. If it comes back, then you know there's a deeper mechanical issue. Resetting your ECU works best when paired with good habits. According to CarMD, many mystery problems vanish with just clean filters and a reset. Pro tip, do the reset right after maintenance so your ECU learns fresh data. Next up, I'll show you the one free tool that makes this even easier. You don't need a shop scanner to reset. Many auto stores offer free OBD2 scans. These not only read error codes, but can also clear them. OBD stands for Onboard Diagnostics, standard since 1996. Using this tool plus a reset saves time and guesswork. Buddy, the more you understand your car, the less it controls your wallet. Some people think resetting harms your car. Totally false. The reset only clears temporary codes. It doesn't delete your VIN or wipe critical safety data. Mechanics reset ECUs every day when they replace parts. So you're just doing what the pros do. Don't let fear stop you from trying. If your car is clearly unsafe, brakes failing, smoke, or overheating, do not rely on a reset. Those are mechanical problems needing real fixes. Online communities are full of stories. One driver saved $400 by resetting after a check engine light caused by a loose cap. Another fixed a stalling issue that a shop quoted $600 for. It's not magic, it's knowledge. Buddy, remember this. What you know today puts you ahead of most drivers. Yes, even hybrids and EVs have reset tricks. Disconnecting the 12V accessory battery can reset infotainment or minor glitches. Tesla owners even have screen reset combos. The principle is the same. Computers get stuck and resets fix them. It's universal. Next, I'll teach you a smart schedule for resets to keep your car running sharp. How often should you reset? Once or twice a year is plenty, especially after major changes like new batteries or fuel types. Overdoing it isn't needed. Think of it like spring cleaning. Clear out the old data. Let your car breathe fresh. Pro tip: keep a small wrench in your trunk so you're always ready. Will my radio lose presets? Sometimes, yes. But that's minor compared to saving hundreds. Will it erase my mileage? No. Odometers are stored separately. Will the light come back? Only if there's a real issue. Most fears are small compared to the benefits. Buddy, don't overthink it. Small risks, big rewards. Step 1, turn off the car. Step 2, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Step 3, wait at least 10 minutes. Step 4, reconnect and tighten. Step 5, start and drive normally to let the ECU relearn. That's it. No fancy shop bills, just you, your car, and a little knowledge. Learning little tricks like this builds confidence. It's not just about cars. It's about taking back control in life. You don't have to feel powerless every time something breaks. You've got the power to learn, test, and solve. So there you have it, buddy. The reset trick mechanics hate because it saves you money and stress. Try it, share it, and pass the knowledge on. Like this video, share it with a friend, and comment your own car experiences below. And remember, if you have a special medical condition or physical limitation, always consult a qualified professional before doing hands-on work. You're stronger and smarter than you think. See you in the next one.